Dinner recipes by Food Fusion. 1. Chicken curry with rice. In a pan, heat oil and add chopped onions, garlic and ginger. Once onions are translucent, add in chicken pieces and cook until brown. Add in chopped tomatoes, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, and red chili powder. Stir well and let it cook for a few minutes. Add in water and let it simmer for 15–20 minutes. Serve hot with cooked rice. 2. Beef lasagna. In a pan, brown ground beef and add in garlic, onion, and Italian seasoning. Add in chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, and beef broth. Let it simmer for 15–20 minutes. In a separate pot, cook lasagna noodles according to package instructions. In a baking dish, spread a layer of the beef mixture, followed by a layer of cooked noodles, and then a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. Repeat layers until all ingredients are used up. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Serve hot and enjoy. 3. Creamy mushroom risotto. In a pot, heat chicken broth and keep it warm. In a separate pan, sow chopped onions, garlic, and mushrooms in butter. Add in arborio rice and stir until coated with butter. Gradually add in the warm chicken broth, 1 cup at a time, stirring constantly. Once all broth is absorbed and rice is cooked, add in heavy cream and grated Parmesan cheese. Stir well and let it cook for a few more minutes. Serve hot and garnish with chopped parsley. 4. Grilled honey mustard salmon. In a bowl, mix together honey, Dijon mustard, soy sauce, and lemon juice. Marinate salmon fillets in the mixture for at least 30 minutes. Grill salmon on a preheated grill for 5–6 minutes on each side. Serve hot with a side of roasted vegetables or mashed potatoes. 5. Vegetable biryani. In a pan, heat oil and add in chopped onions, garlic and ginger. Once onions are translucent, add in chopped vegetables such as carrots, peas, bell peppers and cauliflower. Add in biryani masala and stir well. In a separate pot, cook basmati rice and mix in with the vegetable mixture. Let it cook for a few more minutes and then serve hot with a side of raita or yogurt dip. 6. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. In a bowl, mix together chopped spinach, crumbled feta cheese, minced garlic, and dried oregano. Cut a pocket in each chicken breast and stuff with the spinach and feta mixture. In a pan, heat oil and cook chicken until brown on both sides. Add in chicken broth and let it simmer for 15–20 minutes. Serve hot with a side of roasted potatoes and a green salad. 7. Quinoa and black bean tacos. In a pan, cook quinoa according to package instructions. In a separate pan, sow chopped onions, garlic, bell peppers, and black beans. Once vegetables are cooked, mix in the cooked quinoa and add in taco seasoning. Serve the quinoa and black bean mixture in taco shells with your choice of toppings, such as shredded cheese, lettuce, and salsa.